Finish off.
To complete the last part of something.
Let's finish off the leftovers. Finish up.
To end up, to complete.
We finished up the project on time. Fit in.
To belong or match well.
The new employee fits in well. Fix up.
To repair or arrange something.
We fixed up the old house. Flag down.
To signal a vehicle to stop.
She flagged down a taxi. Flake out.
To fall asleep from exhaustion.
He flaked out on the couch. Flare up.
To suddenly become worse or more intense.
Tensions flared up between the two nations. Flesh out.
To add more detail to a plan or idea.
Let's flesh out this proposal. Flick through.
To look through something quickly.
She flicked through the magazine. Flip out.
To become extremely angry or excited.
He flipped out when he heard the news. Flood in.
To arrive in large numbers.
Applications flooded in after the ad. Fly by.
To pass very quickly, especially time.
The weekend just flew by. Fly off.
To leave quickly, often angrily.
She flew off the handle. Fob off.
To deceive someone with a false excuse.
Don't try to fob me off with excuses. Fold up.
To close by folding.
Fold up the map when you're done. Follow through.
To complete an action you started.
You need to follow through on your promises. Follow up.
To take further action on something.
I'll follow up with an email. Fool around.
To behave in a silly way.
Stop fooling around and get to work. Force back.
To push something back by force.
Firefighters forced back the flames. Freak out.
To become extremely emotional or upset.
Don't freak out, it's not a big deal. Free up.
To make something available.
This will free up more time. Freeze over.
To become covered with ice.
The lake froze over in winter. Freeze up.
To become unable to move or speak from fear.
He froze up during the interview. Freshen up.
To wash and make yourself tidy.
Let me freshen up before dinner. Fritter away.
To waste money or time gradually.
He frittered away his savings. Fry up.
To cook food by frying.
We can fry up some eggs for breakfast. Gear up.
To prepare for something.
The team is gearing up for the finals. Get about.
To move around, to travel.
She still gets about well for her age. Get across.
To make something understood.
He struggled to get his point across. Get ahead.
To be successful, especially at work.
She wants to get ahead in her career. Get along.
To have a good relationship.
They get along really well. Get around.
To travel to various places, to avoid an issue.
It's easy to get around the city by bus. Get at.
To reach something, to imply something.
What are you getting at? Get away.
To escape, to go on holiday.
We got away for the weekend. Get back.
To return.
What time will you get back? Get behind.
To fail to keep up with payments or work.
They got behind on the rent. Get by.
To manage with limited resources.
We can get by on a small budget. Get down.
To become depressed, to focus seriously.
Don't let it get you down. Get in.
To enter, to arrive.
We got in at midnight. Get into.
To become interested in, to enter.
He got into painting last year. Get off.
To leave a vehicle, to start a journey.
We should get off early tomorrow. Get on.
To board a vehicle, to make progress.
How are you getting on with the project? Get out.
To leave a place.
Get out before it's too late. Get over.
To recover from something.
It took her weeks to get over the flu. Get round.
To persuade someone to find a way past an obstacle.
She got round her boss with charm. Get through.
To succeed in reaching someone, to survive.
I finally got through to customer service. Get together.
To meet socially.
Let's get together this weekend. Get up.
To rise, to get out of bed.
I get up at 6 every morning. Give away.
To give as a gift, to reveal a secret.
Don't give away the ending. Give back.
To return something.
Please give back my pen. Give in.
To surrender or admit defeat.
He finally gave in to their demands. Give off.
To emit, such as a smell or light.
The flowers give off a lovely scent. Give out.
To distribute, to stop working.
The battery gave out after an hour. Give up.
To stop trying, to quit.
Never give up on your dreams. Gloss over.
To avoid discussing something in detail.
He glossed over the mistakes in the report. Go about.
To start dealing with a task.
How should we go about this problem? Go after.
To pursue something.
She's going after a promotion. Go against.
To oppose or conflict with.
This decision goes against company policy. Go ahead.
To proceed with a plan.
Go ahead and start without me. Go along.
To attend, to agree with a plan.
I'll go along with whatever you decide. Go around.
To be enough for everyone. To circulate.
There isn't enough food to go around. Go away.
To leave, to disappear.
The headache finally went away. Go back.
To return to a place or topic.
Let's go back to the previous point. Go by.
To pass, referring to time. To follow a rule.
The years go by so quickly. Go down.
To decrease, to be received a certain way.
Sales went down last quarter. Go for.
To choose, to attempt to achieve.
I'll go for the salad, please. Go into.
To enter a profession, to examine in detail.
She went into medicine after university. Go off.
To explode, to stop liking something, to ring.
The alarm went off at 6. Go on.
To continue, to happen.
What's going on here? Go out.
To leave home for entertainment, to stop burning.
We're going out for dinner tonight. Go over.
To review something carefully.
Let's go over the details again. Go through.
To experience something difficult, to examine.
She's going through a hard time. Go under.
To fail, especially a business.
The company went under last year. Go up.
To increase, to be built.
Prices went up again this month. Go with.
To match, to choose.
I'll go with the blue one. Gobble up.
To eat quickly and greedily.
The kids gobbled up the cake. Grow apart.
To become less close over time.
The friends grew apart after college. Grow into.
To develop into something over time.
He grew into a responsible young man. Grow on.
To become gradually more likable.
The song is starting to grow on me. Grow up.
to become an adult.
Children grow up so fast.